Welcome to our channel. Adding a checked bag to your American Airlines reservation can save you time and money compared to paying at the airport. Follow this full tutorial. Step 1. Go to aa.com or open the American Airlines mobile app on your smartphone. Step 2. Click on My Trips or Manage Reservations in the navigation menu. Step 3. Enter your confirmation code and last name to retrieve your reservation. Step 4. Select your upcoming flight from your list of trips. Step 5. Look for the Bags section or Add Bags option in your trip details. Step 6. Select the number of checked bags you need to add. Review the baggage fees, which vary based on your route and fare class. Step 7. American Airlines offers discounted bag fees when purchased online versus at the airport, so this is the best time to add them. Step 8. Complete the purchase by entering payment information. Your confirmation email will be updated with baggage information, and you can print or show your digital boarding pass at check-in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.